This is a meditation to connect with the Akashic Records on the quantum field. Make sure you are in a quiet, private space. Close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths to relax your body. Your intention is to expand your consciousness through the levels of existence into the quantum field where the Akashic Records reside. You will know you are in the quantum field when you are in the space of nothingness and you feel love and connection. You don't have to go anywhere. The Akashic Records are right here. All you need to do is surrender. Feel your consciousness expanding and know that your intention is to connect to the quantum field in the Akashic Records. Bring your awareness to your heart. Feel your consciousness expand. Feel the energy around your body. Your intention is to expand your consciousness past the earth and the physical, emotional, and mental planes so that you may connect to the Akashic Records on the quantum field. As you feel your awareness expand past your body, you become aware of the earth and feel yourself becoming one with the earth. Expand your consciousness into the universe, past the stars and the planets, and become one with the universe. Feel your consciousness expand past the universe and the physical plane. Now your intention is to move past the emotional and mental planes into the quantum field of the Akashic Records. Your consciousness already knows what to do. Surrender into the process and allow. Keep expanding into the emotional plane and then past it. Expand into the mental plane and become one with the mental plane. Feel your consciousness expand into the Akashic Records in the quantum field. Be present with your energy. Notice that right now there isn't anything to see or do. It is pure energy. Open your heart and feel the oneness and the unconditional love. Take a few deep breaths. Take another deep breath and breathe into your toes. Become aware of your body and truly feel it. Bring your awareness to your feet and then to your heart, and open your eyes. Thank you.